Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you an amazing Chrome extension called Data Blur that automatically hides your sensitive data in real time. So let's get started. Firstly, go to your browser, visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Data Blur. Tap to open extension and click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add extension. Now you will see it will successfully add it to your extension. Click on it, then you will pin this extension. From there you can hide sensitive data. Like I'm opening this website and I want to hide the website data. Click on this. Now you will see keywords blur. Which keyword I will copy? Like I want to blur this. Click on this V, then click on. You will see wherever Chromebook will be written, it will automatically hide this. If you want to auto detection, you can click on auto detection. Then it will hide your email address and phone number. You can select secret keys, amount, credit card, anything you want. Or you can select the data you want manually like this. I want to blur only. That's why you will see which data I will select, it will be blurred and the rest is visible. So yeah, this is one of the easiest way to protect your privacy while working or creating content. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment your favorite tool and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.